Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, we're back outside. Sorry I took so long. Whew, it's cold. How are you doing? Good morning, everybody. Oh man, she is very cold today. Doesn't help that I'm losing weight, so I'm losing my winter coat in winter, so it's not good. Thank you very much, guys. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Hold on, I gotta boba those. How are we all doing, whānau? Hope you've been well. What's up, Roskuto? What's the time for everyone? Was that everyone's times earlier? What kind of coffee do you drink? A hot one. A hot one, brother. So before we start, as we do, we have our morning yarns. I believe it's Men's Mental Health Month this month as well. So if you did see my live notification, it was more to say how are you really, okay? Hello from Romania. Kia ora. Kia ora, kia ora. Do I have a sub to me? Yeah, you do. If you have a lion face next to your name, you most likely do. Hope the legs are feeling better. Yeah, my legs feeling better. I ended up doing some stretches after that stream that day, and it feels much better today. Thank you very much. Better days ahead for the T1. Love that name, by the way. Love that name. Bro, do you watch football? No, I don't, brother. Sorry. Yeah, I don't, brother. The only sport I ever watch these days is rugby. Whew. Hot. Very hot. Yeah, I went to the gym this morning around 4:30. Might try and go earlier. Maybe if I'm streaming into the early hours, maybe like to 3 o'clock, then I'll go straight to the gym. What's up, fat man with the limp? How you, my brother? What are the new voice sub, but I'm already in. Yeah, brother, so someone would have gifted you a sub. So I'm doing a thing with Diablo right now where people give 2 subs, they get a mount, but this is when I'm playing Diablo. And Diablo themselves gifted 100 subs the other day, so maybe it was through that. Chiefs gonna win the Super Rugby? I hope so. I don't want to be a blowout and say they will. So, yeah, hopefully they do. That was a good game though on the weekend against the Reds. Where's everyone from right now? Can we get an international roll call? So you're going to join... I've made my own clan. We're called the Devil's Avocados instead of the Devil's Advocates. YB... Yeah, so we're called the Deviled Avocados. Feel free to join if you want, chat. Our banner is a stag with branches. Yeah. Instead of being the Devil's Advocates, we're the Devil's Avocados. I just came up with a Papega name, that's all. So I'll be playing Diablo quite a lot till like the drops are gone. Just to make the most of it. Just to make the most of it, pretty much. Yeah. So I play Barb and Druid. But I've been playing my Druid more offline. I was supposed to focus on the story last night, but I got sidetracked doing a Barb quest line. Turns out the X isn't even as good as the one I have. But it's still good though. Good morning from Egypt, cheer! Hope you had a solid weekend too, brother. How close are you to the pyramids of Giza, brother? The Three Kings, I must say. Hey Brox, you like tacos? Only on Tuesdays. What's up, Dix? Yeah, chat, so we will be looking at, like a wow, really? Bro. It must be a mean thing to see every morning, brother. Wow, and the sunset too. Damn. That is sick, bro. Straight up. Holy. That is so good. That is so good. Hey, let me set up real quick. I may take one day off this week, during the week to sharpen up all my chisels too. We'll see. Hold up, I need to blow my nose. Yeah, sorry I'm a bit late too, chat. I would have started earlier, but someone, aka me, forgot to put his daughter's lunchbox in her bag. Good morning, where I live, it's night already. Nice! Much love there, Crims. Bro, I hope you for a good stream. I gotta go because my country is... Yeah, if it's like silly hours of the night, please go to bed. Okay, let's get started, eh? Oh, we'll talk for a little bit longer and then we'll get into it. Yeah, if it's like silly hours of the morning or night, I would much appreciate it if you went to bed. How you been, Tree? You been training hard, I see, brother? Okay, God bless you. Jay, Lisa Pika, that is very true. That is very true. Good morning, the Possin Wewe. Cheer, brother. Slin Solo, good morning all the way from Switzerland, eh? Chee. I'm just getting a bit warm, chat, and then we'll get into it. We have exactly, what's the July, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 10 months. 10 months away from my wedding, chat. Counting down now. Holy shit. Sawmill. Oh, right. 10 months away from my wedding. Damn. Didn't realize it was that close. Marry the love of my life, the mother of my children. Thanks to her, I became a father. So yeah, that's all going down. That's one of the main reasons why I'm trading too, is, you know, me and her want to look our best on our day. Thank you, Judo. Hi from Sweden. Hello. Ray, you sound like a nice guy. Oh, I'm alright. I mean, if you were to come over for a visit, hypothetically speaking, I'd put the kettle on and we'd have a cup of tea and a biscuit. Yo, Chulizo, that's pretty mean, brother. Hello from the Netherlands. Oh, and good night to you. Kia ora, Hodges. Kia ora, brother. I mean, that's just showing being welcoming, I guess. What in a brother from Wairoa? Che, please must be cold over there, eh? Other side of the lake. Jeez, I haven't been to Wairoa in ages. What's up, Uni Bubbles? Morena. You have people from around the world. Yeah, that's what I always, Brock sounds like Waka. Not gonna lie, I thought he was Māori till I found out there's no Māoris with, that coloured hair. I don't know if it's offensive to say the G word, so I'm not going to say it. Here's one of my favourites, Waka, Oren. Oren was probably my favourite out of all of them. Kamari, just because of the Ronso rage and you can take everyone's ultimates. And Jict. Jict was my favourite too. So Oren and Jict are pretty much two of my real favourite Final Fantasy characters. That's how I try and portray.
Addicted Rain tipped $10. Keep up with you wholesome streams. Less than 3 greetings from Germany.
Guten Tag, Addicted Rain. Thank you very much for the $10, my brother. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate the Aroha. Everything that comes my way this year, I will be all going towards my wedding. What's your favorite car that you would drive for the rest of your life? Oh, one that works, my brother. I'm grateful for what I have. I have like, it's not a supercar or a tuner car or anything. It's a Mitsubishi Triton that was given to me by my grandfather. Grateful because, you know, I can carry around timber for my work, gets my kids to school and back, you know. Takes us all over the place. If there was a car that I would love to drive, I'd like to have a go at try and drive a Lamborghini Huracan, or I keep forgetting the name of this car. I can't remember. I can't remember the other one. I'm working on it if I do in the shed and it's cold air. Yeah, bugger that, man. Wait till it gets warm. Yeah. So this pretty much got a truck. He gave it to me when he got him a brand new Hilux. So it was like, I ain't gonna say no. What about a Supra? Never been a fan of the Supra. When it comes to tuners, I'm probably just like everyone else. I like the Skyline. Not gonna lie, I really like the R31. I know not much people like it these days, but I like the R31. 34. I feel like the 33 is slept on a bit. What else? Man, there's so many, eh? Muscle cars, probably 1969 Chevy. Or Camaro, sorry. What else? Fuck, there's heaps. There's heaps. You have a 33? Damn! If I had no kids, I would become a car enthusiast, but I can't become a car enthusiast. I recently only got into cars recently last year through the bro Hoss, who's a Twitch streamer as well, but he's also a drifter for Hoonigan. He has a S14 Boss. Okay, let's go. Where are you living in New Zealand? Rotorua, brother. The capital of Māori tourism and the capital of smelling like eggs due to all the sulphur. Or the rotten eggs, my guy. How's everything back in the motherland? All good. Just kind of, you know, staying in my own lane recently. There's been a lot of drama surrounding Twitch lately, and but yeah, I've been staying in my own lane, but it's 12 AM where you live. Where do you live, brother? If you don't mind me asking. So this is what we've been working on. As you can see, there's two main figures in this carving. They are called Manaya. M-A-N-I-A-I-A. Manaya. Now, Manaya are a form that our people, the Māori people, have carved for many, many years. They are guardians, as some would say. And this carving here is going to be taking quite the trip this year. It's off to America, to where the recipient lives. And that recipient is Sturdy Butter, who is a tier 3 sub here, who redeemed 1 million channel points. So it represents the hononga, the link between one side of the world to the other. So it's not necessarily me and the bro, because we are alive, and that's not, you don't do that, you don't carve living people. So the story behind this carving is here. This is linking one walk of life to the other. Yeah, he redeemed 1 million channel points, my bro. And this all stems from something called a pai pai. A pai pai normally consists of about 20 of these, all down the line, all identical as well. But we decided to make a much smaller variation in order for it to be shipped over and stored in his house. So yeah, from Christchurch, but been in Adelaide for 23 years. Bro, is it true that you are like behind even Brisbane's time as well? So when I was watching the rugby, the game didn't start till 12 ends in. I didn't even know that. So this is what we've been up to, chat. So we molded the side, cleaned it up. We won't clean the background up like to the T, because we will be frosting it. So I'll get a little screw and we'll just, like, you know, nick the backboard in order to bring the carving out a bit more, even though it's quite deep. Make it pop a bit more by frosting the background. And then eventually we're on this side, we were doing the cleanup too. So this is what we've been up to. I haven't really been able to carve much due to me being sick one week, then my kids being sick last week, and my daughter had to stay home for the whole week because there was a bug going around at her school and I didn't want her to go back till she was done. But this is essentially what we've been up to. I don't know why that would get filtered. What you do... You do keep up the good work. Thank you very much, Kagan. Much love, my brother. Do you sell your carvings? I do. At the moment, I'm doing commissions. However, this is a free one for the bro. So yes, I do free carvings here and there too, chat. After this, I have to do a taiaha. Not a big one, but one for my nephew. Because he's only like 2, but he's some bloody rubbish on the ground. He's recently become quite interested in kapa haka. And what better way to, like, you know, capture his interest by making him one. Love to see one of these set. They have been resin. They are resin carvings, brother. I have seen resin carvings before, and bro, they look sick, eh? Not gonna lie. Right down to the pendants that we wear too, brother. If I ever get the chance to see one, I'll post it up. I saw you with Jacinda a long time ago, and now I finally found you. Hey, brother. I forgot to message her too. She became a dame. But it was pretty buzzy having her over like 3 times. Do you do totems? We have some sort of totems, but we call them tickle tickle, brother. Now, with that being said, I only do traditional Māori wood carving. I won't dabble in other cultures' carvings, okay? Because to me personally, that should be left for them. And if I wanted to know, do it, I'd probably want to learn from them first. My 7th grader is carving a quarter out of phone for art class. She could. Said you. Wait, actual bespoke. Are you at school right now, brother? I'd like to reach out personally and, you know, hopefully, you know, give her some words to keep pushing, if that helps. Right, that's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. I think that's what makes it all worth it when, you know, the next generation gives it a go. What's up, 34? I remember using a Dremel to carve my name into a 2x4 and it was more difficult than I imagined. I carved something very... I used the Dremel before, but let's just say I didn't carve my name. As a male with something that carves, carving something male is always... Yeah, I think you'll figure it out. I don't play Minecraft. The only thing I ever done in that game was log on, dig a big ass hole, fill it with water, blow it up, and then leave. Late project is the Koru. Nice. Okay. If you if she's ever watching the stream, man, let me know. I want to try and go for a while today. And also tonight we will be jumping back into Diablo again. Oh, she's here. Oh. Hold on, Chip. I'm gonna carve the hot dog, you could say that, and 2 cherries with veins. He says hi. Hello. I just got told you were doing a carving because of me, and I just want you to know, keep going, but most of all you should take your time, okay? There's no need to rush when you do your crafts, and no matter what you do, you just take your time and trust your processes that you do and keep going. It's it makes me happy inside knowing that you're doing something because of me, and looking forward to seeing how it goes, okay? So thank you very much for using me as your inspiration, and keep going, okay? And Mom and Dad will get you McDonald's, okay, today. You know me, Chad, every time, you know, says you're welcome. Hey, let's go. For me, Chad, you know, when, that's all I hope to be, is a good example in some way. You know, people can like take something from it, whatever I do, and that makes me happy. She'll send pics when it's done. Nice. Looking forward to it. Alright. So we were doing the mouth, okay? Making sure everything's all good. Anyone seen the new Transformers yet? I saw 8 blinkers on there too. Yeah, I have. How is it? Me and my cousin want to go and watch it this week. I was gonna, cause I want to go watch Spider-Man 2. It may be Fast X, but I feel like, from what I've seen, Fast isn't that good. Everyone was saying Jason stole the show. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of good things about the new Spider-Man, eh? How do you decide what to carve when commissioned? So what I told the bro when he redeemed the 1,000,000 points, I told him, look at my culture, brother, and see if there's something within my culture you want me to carve, and that's how, when he asked me to do my Pai Pai. So that's how he chose it. Thank you, Addicted Rain, for the Optimus Prime, brother. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot of good things about Spider-Man. I like, what's his name? The newer Spider-Man's theme song? With that weird ass sound? Not really into breaking the laws of physics with a car. That's been the franchise for Wally. But it's pretty much for me it's Fast 1, Too Fast, Tokyo Drift. After that it got a bit rough, eh? For me, personally. Got a bit rough after that. Have you watched... No, I haven't watched movies in a long time, brother. I've worked a couple of whakaora for Kura Māori and Porirua. Sure, mean. That's all. So, also today, chat, will be mainly game music because I want to upload a carving VOD to my channel today. It's been a while. A lot of people have been thinking I quit streaming because there's been no VODs up. And I just had to tell them, I just wanted to play some music. love Tokyo Drift, eh? It was so good. It was just all the cars for me that I enjoyed. That's more car showcases that I like. Not so much, you know, the out the gate stunts and whatnot. You being Kirby. Good to see you, brother. How you? Man always knows how to make an entrance, this fella. Try not to buy skins. Yeah, I don't buy them. I just got the battle pass. There's one emote I want to get though, the Burner Boy one. Didn't realize he had one. Oi. Hold on, chat. Alrighty. Oh, I didn't even know either. I really like the emotes on 40s. Yeah, some of them are cool, eh? I ended up getting laser beams on when he's sitting on a chili bin eating a pie. I was like, fuck, I need that one. That was me straight away. I need that one now. I'm not gonna lie, chat. It's pretty hard playing gaming music all day. I'll tell you that much. Wonder if I'll get copyright just playing Lil Cap. Surely not. Hey, what's up, Johnny? Fuck you, Kubi. How you been though, brother? Do you reckon they'll put Tekken on PC? Did they put Street Fighter on? I can't remember. What's up, Jizzy? Also, to those that were wondering, I forgot to answer that question earlier. Whakairo, Māori wood carving, comes from the Māori god of the sea. His name is Tangaroa. A lot of people get mistaken thinking Tane Mahuta, the god of the forest, is actually the god of wood carving. But in a sense he's not. He wouldn't necessarily carve his own children. But initially Whakairo was discovered when Tane Mahuta, the god of the forest, ascended the heavens to receive the baskets of knowledge for mankind. What do you call this kind of work? Whakairo. So in our language, Māori language, WH is our F. So WHAIAKRO. Oh. Shit, I'm dumb. WHAKAIRO. Holy shit. Whakairo. Sorry, Jen, I'm just matching up the arms here too. So a bit off. Okay. Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, this form of art comes from the sea god Tangaroa. Check. This is one of my mates. Hey, what's up, Mangry? I'm doing good, brother. How are you? Who's all here right now as well, chat? If you also have any questions about Whakairo or you just want to have a good yarn, feel free to ask questions as well. I know it's Sunday for some, so everyone's probably in their Sunday and chill. Do you ever use greenstone tools? I don't, but I've made them before. I'd like to do a whole carving with our greenstone tools. I just don't have the time to make them all. But I've done a carving with a stone adze. The stone that I used was Onewa. Onewa is a river stone, like Reiwaki river stone. I'm enjoying. Wait, King, is it still Charlie's birthday for you? What is the type of trees that you use? Normally we use native timber. It's the most ideal for this kind of work, but keep in mind that pine is used as well. My first ever carvings I did on Twitch with pine out of an old coffee table. Crunch McGee, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Shout out to all the primers as well using their primes on me. It's very much appreciated going towards my wedding. Kia ora. I really want to go watch Spider-Man now. This was in Victoria. Oh, true. So they give us his birthdays to spread it out. Oh, right. Alright, I think we should leave this arm alone. Leave the arm alone. Let me check the... Yeah, leave it alone. What's up, Robbo? I think we should focus on this mouth. I was thinking of going to BlizzCon this year, Whānau, but one individual killed it for me. Apparently there's a guy going around threatening that he was going to take a firearm to BlizzCon. And y'all know me, I love seeing my kids every day, so I'm probably not going to go anymore. I would like to go to TwitchCon, but it seems expensive when I have to, like, you know, save up for my wedding. I really want to go, man, but I need to look at the bigger picture and save up for the wedding. Then again, there's PAX as well in Australia. I didn't mind. Are you coming? I was in PAX last year. I might come back over depending. I need to hurry up though. I'll be on my way making millions. Fuck up the bank, stop hating 'cause I'm winning. Fuck all cap, rat-ta-ta-ta. Yeah, wedding definitely has to be first priority. Just considering how expensive things are for a wedding as well. Kind of have me using? I'm using a mallet. I've had this since I was a student woodcarver. Back in, when did I start? 2014 is when I got accepted into the carving school here. This is Rata, R-A-T-A, which is one of our more hard timbers that we have. We normally make taiaha, patu, kotiate, our shorthand variation of weapons, right to the taiaha, which is a long 3/4 staff, you may know. It's one of our most renowned weapons, along with, you know, smaller intricate carvings would use this particular timber here. And yeah, I've carved meeting houses with this, large scale carvings, right down to small. So I've had this here since 2014. I'll keep using it till, you know, it bricks. So yeah, this one's very special to me because I got to do restoration carving for a meeting house in my beloved's hometown, and it just so happens that that's my children's meeting house, so that's why that was a very special project to do, especially with this mallet, because it's going to be there for my kids to look at and say, you know, our papa helped make this, and their kids, and so on, generations to come. Pretty much. Yeah, that is why I love this particular banner. 52 matches, 100 floating floor west. Yeah. Fantastic, thanks, mate. It's put it through the ringer, I should say. Still has a lot of years left in it. Just like my chisels too. From mum. No one can hide from their mum. I think for now, we'll focus here, body, leg and the face. So we'll focus on this section here. I want to clean up these backboards as well. Hold on, Chet, just also, Chet, who here dabbles with Magic the Gathering? I heard there's like a Lord of the Rings theme. Is there Aragorn cards? Thank you, Tasty, for the raid. Hey, what's up, Edo? What are you doing? I'm doing traditional bodywood carving. Investing in good tools is incredibly important. Yeah, so with your chisels, my uncle always said, your chisels can carve 20 meeting houses until you can't use them anymore. Is that good, Idis? I have no idea. I just heard there's like Lord of the Rings coming. And I like Lord of the Rings. For 800, but I lost its value so far. I heard, like, what's that bloody thing called? Black Lotus card? I don't really know much about cards, but I've got like a few Pokemon ones. Nothing too crazy. Hey, too steady. That guy right there finding us who the carving is for. Sturdy brother. My bad, I haven't been on it that much, my bro. But we are there again. Today we're focusing more on this area. The arm, the body, and the backboards of it. My kids are all better now, so we should be able to carve all week. Tearing my carpet, trying to fix it. Wee. All good, Benz. Have a good one, brother. If I remember when my grandmother was my teacher, oh, that was not fun, chat. Not fun. Because she used to teach like she was Major Payne, if you know that movie. Whew. Hello there, Cash. Oh, thank you, my veteran passion, for the raid. Tēnā koe and welcome to the stream, man. Hey, Podgy, morning. No, probably been safe. Yeah, it was cool. Like, at her funeral, she was known for like having all the naughty kids, like all the naughty kids in her classes, and all the naughty students that she taught over the many years she was there, like what, 53 years she was a teacher. All of them showed up, and it was cool as to see. It was buzzy as to see them all there. Yeah, like all these, you know. Some of them turned their lives around, some were like, you know, had all their gang tattoos, but they took all their patches off. Because they always bent the knee to end. They absolutely loved it, and it was cool to see. Hey, Risen, what's up, my bro? Hope you're well up there in Kitty Kitty Door, my bro. Thank you for the 22 months, brother. Hope you're having a good one. Other than freezing my ass off, my bro, it is going quite well. It's like my one of my stepbrothers. So I've got 13 stepbrothers. Yes. My dumb father was a busy man after he left my mum. He was turning his life around, but the dumb fell back into routine. Now he's back in jail. It was funny though, because all of his mates were like gang members, you know, had their colours on. Then I walked up to him, "How you been, you little shithead?" And all his like gang mates are like, hey, what? You know, pretty much looked at them and went, "Shut up and sit down." You know, looked at them and was like, "Are these your bum boys then?" They're like, "Hey, you don't talk to him like this. Like, this is my little brother. I can talk to him how I want." And he just started laughing. I said, "Hey, you're not his brother." He said, "Yeah, I'm the healthy one." I'm the healthy one, that's why. The little idiot got into a fight before my nan's funeral and he got run over Dum Dum. And when we were up in the cemetery digging the hole, he showed us all of his road rash. I was like, bro, come on. Live on that life. It's like my cousin who recently got out of jail. He went away for relatively bad things. And because he had just got out and he was looking at me in town, I didn't know it was him because I hadn't seen him in like 20 years. And I was like, hey, is this fella want to rumble, like a fight or something? And he said my name. I was like, holy shit. It's like, did you learn your lesson, you dum dum? So yeah, I did. Not my proudest moment, but you. So as long as you learned, yeah. And it got a little bit awkward there. I was like, so what, did you drop the soap or what? So yeah, it's not like that, eh? So, are you sure? But he's like fully turned his life around, so I was like, oh man, it's me. See, why couldn't you learn in school, you dum dum? I'm pretty much just straight up with all my like family that's in that life. Like I've got uncles and aunties that are part of their life. Like one of my uncles is the president of the mongrel mob in the Bay here. My grandfather's like the president of the tribesmen. But I never really saw them as gang members, I just saw them as like, you know, family. I pretty much asked my uncle, so can I have a ride of your Harley? He said, bro, keep dreaming. It's like, you got a dumb MC. And he just cracked up laughing. Your MC's dumb. Are you a gangster? No, hell no. I'm not into that life. Never have been. Not necessarily a scene that I was ever interested in, to be honest. Yeah, pretty much, you see. It's like I've got two uncles, right? One of them's got a bulldog on his face, and the other one's got a fist on his face from the opposing gang. I was like, our uncles, so do you like stand on opposite sides of like the clean cheek? They're like, fuck, you're an idiot to me. And you think he'd be a gangster? I roleplay as a gangster in a game, but that's as close as it gets. Nah, that's not necessarily the life for me. I'll join the crazy horses. He's sitting there banging wood. Woodside. These are the only shots we take. Bang! What's up? Z for life. Nah, I'm not a gangster, brother. Nor will I ever say that I am. That was funny. That was funny. Wood style jutsu. I'm actually the Hokage. Nah. He's a funny man. Did you see the Path of Exile trailer? Yeah, we got a photo of the carving on the floor too. I hit up Poe on Twitter and we got a photo. I'm very interested by that Poe too, eh? The first thing that caught my attention was the haka chanting in the background. That was something I instantly heard straight away. I'm like, what's going on here? So I'm definitely keen to see what they're doing with that. If I'm the leader, I'll be like, what's your name, sir? My name's Tim. Last name Burr. I might actually name a meme character on NoPixel there, Tim Burr, and just go around doing silly shit. Living Influencers doing? Nah, not really, brother. First name's Tim, last name Burr. He's so funny. I still haven't been able to find that damn book too, chat. Book of the Five Rings. I might have to order it off Mighty Ape. Think you'll like the game? Yo. I played some Poe 1. And I'll go to ExileCon next month. So I'm looking forward to that. And that is where, since PAX Chat, we will be having our first IRL stream back. Okay? At ExileCon. Morning, Fanta. See, they agree. I'm interested in this, I don't know if they're like a new race or just like a new NPC race. So I'm pretty keen to see, where they're going with that. Morning, no? Yeah, the Karui tribe. Yeah. That intrigued me straight away when I heard the haka in the background. I was like, ooh, okay. You have my attention. So it should be interesting to see what happens there. Falamorna Warrior. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, get out the way. Close my eyes. Fail. Not even right in the sun. Here we go. How many chisels do you have? Do you have any recommendations for starters? I have like, what, 32? We'll probably add more in the future. It all depends on what you want to do, eh? Like, I wouldn't necessarily go, buy a pack, get them all. It all depends what you want to do. I started off with Bunnings chisels, eh? But the chisel pack I have now was gifted to me, like, it was given to me back in the carving school. And if you pass, you get to keep them. And obviously I've got the pack and I passed, so yeah. Also, chat, I want to start listening to podcasts. Any recommendations? I want to listen to How to Dad's one. He seems like you'll have a good one. I was listening to Bradley Martins for a little bit there, mainly just for Joe. There's one other one I want to listen to as well. Not Joe Rogan's. Oh yeah, what's their name? Keep forgetting it. I hope you're doing well. Hey, Friffy! What's up, Friffy? Kia ora, Ruby. How are you as well, Ruby? Oh, what's up, Lolly? Crime podcast. Oh yeah, pretty nice podcast. Oh yeah. I think while I'm on the treadmill, I might swap out music for a podcast. But mind you, when I watch Twitch, the time goes by even faster. Thanks, Jack Jr. Cheers, brother. Join us, my bro. Join us, as Homer would say. No more. No more. Oh, what do I train today, chat? I'm feeling legs today. One of us. Legs. Yeah, I feel like doing legs today. I like doing legs, eh? No more. I guess I just like doing the big muscles. Gangsters don't skip leg day. I'm not a gangster. My favorite body part to train is most likely back day. Oh, I fully agree with you, Friffy, straight up. Yeah, I love doing Becky. Hands down, one of my favorite body parts to do. That's those ones there after you've done legs for a while when you're walking in town with shorts on and you see the young cut on the leg and you're like, ooh, okay. And you start seeing the teardrop on the front of the quad. That's my kryptonite on Mrs. Brooks when she's got quads and you see it flare out from the back and you're like, ooh. Flex more. She starts making me go a bit primitive, she does. Skinny legs. I'll never have skinny legs. Never. I've got freaking thunder thighs. I think they ain't going away. I'm trying to encourage the missus to come and train with me. But I know for ladies, like the gym can be pretty daunting. That's what she's going through, which is understandable. I pretty much told her when she's ready, I'll pay for her gym membership and we can train together. Yeah, I got a bit of an ass on me too, my bro. Rugby players build. Got the rugby player build, my bro. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this way. I wanna take Mrs. Brooks for a back session one day. One of my goals in training at the moment is to try and do a muscle up. Yeah, I've been, so oh, Hassan! Yo, what's up, my brother? Holy shit! Ain't no way Pokemon raided me, stop lying. One of my friends does have a big crush on her though, I'll put that out there just for his sake. Hello everyone from Hassan's Raid, my name is Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver, and still not used to my chat. Look at you pretending. I know you're lying. Trolling me right now, man. Kia ora, everybody. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. Shout out to Hassan once again. I'm currently doing a commission piece for one of my viewers. He recently redeemed Kaya Raid? Kaya means peace, right? He recently hit 1 million channel points and he redeemed it, and he's getting this for free. And we're sending it to America. Kia ora everyone from the bro stream, and I hope he's all had a good one with him. I know his stream's about politics, but the only thing I can get with politics these days is the PM turned up to my house a few years back. Yeah, so he's getting this for free. And we cleaned up the site, so these two figures here are called Manaya. And they're basically guardians in our culture. And there's Sturdy Butter right there, so that's who this is going to. Oh, Kaya. Oh, is that his puppy's name? It's got a nice dog too, eh? I'm not allowed to have a dog at our house because we're only renting and the landlord said no. Hers, thank you for the Optimus Prime, man. Appreciate the you using your Optimus Prime on me as it goes towards my wedding. True, so his dog's name is Kaya. Okay. Bro, that's my niece's name. Shout out to him, man. Yeah, so I'm just renting at the moment. But thanks for the raid, brother. What's the last stream I watched? She was with Valky. Where were they again? Bro, how do you keep up with your chat this fast, bro? Even I still can't, eh? I know it's a bit slow and easy here, but thank you very much for the love, brother. He's a sniper in chat. Really? With lots. Who are we talking about? Oh yeah, son. Yeah, bro. I could never. I'd just choose one comment, focus on that, and answer that, and 30 comments are probably gone by then. But yeah, that's all we've been up to. Sturdy brother, who this piece is going to, also gives Hassan a monthly sub here too. And he also gives me a monthly sub to Hassan as well. So shout out to the brother. Yo, Primitive Light, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. Thank you, my bro. That's going straight to my wedding funds, my man. So I appreciate it a lot, my brother. New Zealand is a beautiful country. You should come to Rotorua. It smells like rotten eggs. Normally when you enter like the boundaries of the city, you're slowly like blaming your passenger because you thought they farted in the car. But it's actually just the place. Wait, we're at a level 3 hype train? How? Thank you, Pratis MC, for the sub as well. See, this is what I mean, man. Missing subs feels bad. Weather looks nice in Vegas. Yeah, it's pretty good. I haven't been able to carve pretty much all week last week, or one day. My kids were sick, so obviously if you know me, I prioritize my kids first. So what we're currently doing, chat, is cleaning up this section of the carving at the moment and dropping this part here. So we get more emphasis on the face that we're going to carve here. Sturdy, thanks for gifting a sub to Hassan, brother. Did I miss more than that? I feel like I have, chat. Well, what are you using, brother? This is Kauri, brother. Kauri is how you spell their name. It's a native white pine that grows in the upper half of the North Island. In the southern hemisphere as well, we have one of the largest Kauri trees, or tree in general, called Tāne Mahuta, which is named after our god of the forest. And yeah, I haven't even seen it yet still. Thank you, Chaos Uprising, for the Optimus Prime too. Holy, how long did it take to get here? So if we count the hours, probably like maybe 12 so far. I normally, when I'm carving and streaming, production goes down a little bit, but that's just because I enjoy having a yarn with everyone. Thank you very much to Fireside Saga for the biddies too. Please tell me if I miss people's subs as well. If I do this offline, this would have been finished in like a month. But the main reason why I'm not carving it offline is so Sturdy can see the progress in his piece live before it initially goes to him. Sorry about the sun, chat. I carve in a carport. I'll try not to take too long. Iteo, itepo, kakota hiratato. Iteo, itepo, tato. Itero, Man, Hassan, man. Thank you very much, bro. Straight up. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Song name. This is called 8-Town. Bees up. 8-Town. Do dit. Do dit. Do dit. Do dit. Yeah. 8-Town. Thank you for the 2 months, brother. And Seabass with the Optimus Prime. Sorry, shit. The song is called Nui Te Aroha by Origin Roots. That's how I remember the 8-Tone. What's up with my homies? Gotta take a look here. Love from Hassan's community. Much love to him, man. Said it got down it, don't come and get me. Chat, I'm trying not to play DMCA music today so I can post up this VOD. Now a banger's in my head and I want to play it. Cyclops viewers. Optic Blast. What kind of dog does Hassan have, chat? I think the pinnacle of streaming, to me, is having a dog cam. That's when you know you've made it. A massive puppy. Wait, it's got traces of a Saint Bernard? Holy shit! Mastiff, Chow Chow, Bernard mix. Oh, this dog's a legit fruit salad. But everything. My grandfather owns a Saint Bernard. And he's a big bastard too. Dude's got his own freaking couch. Wow, that's a big dog. Holy shit. And it's a puppy. I don't really know my dogs too well, chat, but a Chow Chow is a doggo, eh? Like the... No frickin' way it's a Tibetan Mastiff. Bro, I want one of those for myself, but a pure breed, so I can stick it outside my daughter's windows when they're teenagers. Bro. That's the only reason why I want a Tibetan Mastiff, because they're girls. Straight up. So it can chase any little bastards that try to sneak up to my house. Yo, Friffy, thanks you for the 1,000 corgis, man. They're super territorial though, but if you have any visitors, good! That's what we need. Dog will protect. So it saves me having to renew my gun license every year. But I won't use it. As soon as I found out I was having another girl, I was like, ugh, gun license. I'm 100%, I'm proud to say this, I'm 100% gonna be that father, if you know what I mean. Any male that's with my daughter and tries to shake my hand, I will crush it to assert my dominance. I told my daughter she can have boyfriends when I'm 80. I may be a teddy bear to them, chat, but who? Grizzly bear to anyone else? And I'm proud to say that too. Social Wide, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. 10 seconds left on the level 4. Appreciate the love, Vano. I did that to one of my cousins. She was just a little bit younger. I was on the chainsaw. One day, just cutting out a piece for myself, and I was legit covered in sawdust. Like, had the thick glasses on with a red scarf over my face, and I saw this boy coming up to see her, and I was like, oh, let's have some fun. And then I walked up and I walked out and went, "Who's this?" If you can imagine someone covered in sawdust holding a chainsaw, that's what I looked like. Well, who's this fella? And I told him to shake my hand and I went, "Hi bro, what's your name?" And my cousin was like, "You're an idiot." "Hey cat, what's up cereal? What's up casual Nate? Thank you very much for the biddies my bro." "Hi bro, nice to meet you." The god tier eye roll I got, chat. Holy. He's got a Tibetan mastiff, eh? Yeah. Like the forward head. God, it's also in a Kiwi style telling stories on Twitch. Oh, bro, I got all the stories if you want. I was talking about the one when I was 6, and when my father and my family would be on like a 2 to 3 day bender. Normally I'd wait the next morning. I'd take a stick, because most of my uncles be passed out on the table after playing cards, you know. And I used to take the stick and poke their pockets to see if they had any money, like any coins. I think I ended up with like 30 bucks one day, and I went straight to the shop. And I was in my room playing PlayStation, and my grandmother comes in, "Where did you get all these lollies from?" I went, "Oh, I got some money from uncle." Uncle, auntie. Most of the time, I was brought up by my mum and my grandparents majority of my life, and oh man, my man going in with the early heists. Even the lady at the shop was like, "How did you end up with this much money?" I was like, "Oh, it's just a favourite nephew." Like, right, okay. GGE's bud. The stream is popping off. Yeah, we got raided from Hassan. Hassan, how often do you stream? At the moment, I'm trying to do Monday to Friday twice a day. I'll be playing Diablo tonight because I got drops with Diablo and the mount thingy. Thank you, Crisley Burr. Crisley Burr for the 25 months, my brother. So if there are still any of Hassan's viewers here, can you spam some Hassan emotes so people know he's here? Yes, I'll be playing Diablo again this evening. Yeah, I was buzzing. I got asked if I wanted to do drops on my channel for Diablo and the mount thingy, the zebra. There we go. So there's all Hassan's community there. Ora, origin roots of Aotearoa. Thank you, Hassan. This is like the second raid you've given me this year too. Gotta remember those things. We just found out what kind of dog he has, and boy oh boy, I need one. Well, not for a couple of years though. I've got a couple of years till I think about trying to get a Tibetan Mastiff. till the dreaded teenage years come up. What's the chick? She's gonna be big. Yeah, fuck. She's still a puppy. That's huge, man. Crazy. Crazy. Hi, Seiko. Alright, we'll take a quick break soon. We'll still have some yarns, but we'll carry on, man. You wanna know now. I'll give you the proper look. So one thing I try and focus on too, like obviously you can see the carving as it is. Some of the things I want to try and focus on cleaning too are these spots that you can't see, like all the walls. Even though it doesn't matter, it matters to me. How you been, Cereal and Cat? I'm not gonna lie, I miss role playing with the BBMC. But something interesting's happening at the moment with Brooksy. Brooksy Lala? Hi, Zenko. So I'll just clean this up, and then I'll take it out of the vice and show you.
When you look at our people, the troubles inside us are plain to see. It's written in history. All through the ages, the scars they bleed. Why are we here now? It's time to rewrite the story.
Every bloke has a scary uncle, dad, with him, old man. I RP and no pixel, brother. Bro, with my mum and my grandparents, I knew shit was about to go down when my full name got called. Did my first... Oh, did you? Oh, what server did you join? Have a great stream, sir. Too, my man. Thank you very much for joining me today. So this is him here. Someone say RP. So I was a hang around in the BBMC, but I had to leave because so my setup, I don't have a streaming room, so I can never be on all the time. And they were like, you know, OOC people, they were giving me a lot of shit for not being in the city as well. Like every time the club did banks, they go, oh look, you missed another job. That kind of shit, but I couldn't commit because you're wedding, focusing on the wedding. And the main thing I do on Twitch is whakairo. Oh, you on Kiwi? Sure. There you go. So that's in there. So this is one side. So that's what we've been up to lately, chat. You can see like the depths as well. So that's what we've been up to. So you can sort of see it. We can take some timber off the back because it's still relatively thick. Thick. Thank you, Mr. Mustachio, for the Optimus Prime, my brother. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. And this is going to a viewer for free as well. But in terms of RP, could be doing something with CG. I'll just give you the heads up, and I'm gonna try and look into racing. Take a little break and then we'll carry on. Oh, yeah. Whew. Also, where's everyone from? Water drinker? I think I'm a water enthusiast, eh? Yeah, might be being a cook with them with Junior. Germany, Chicago, Sweden, New York. See, is that Cali? Oregon, Canada, Marlborough, Far Out, Poland, South Carolina. Hey, what's up, Godsfield? Los Angeles, Texas, cause all my exes live in Texas. I love that song, man. Washington, Mexico, Miami, Portugal. Get up the Miami Heat, by the way. Hopefully. Philadelphia, Kelly. But I actually like both teams in the finals at the moment. Boston, Massachusetts, Chile, Memphis, Che. Australia, Michigan, Far Out. Morocco, Michigan. Isn't that where Pokey's from? You ever get on the cover? Nah, I haven't, brother. Delaware. Canada. Puerto Rico. Cereal and Kit. Kit, are you here too? Virginia, Arizona. Toronto. Gee, Blue Wizard Cult. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Tēnā koe, brother. Thanks for the support, Whānau. It's been wild this month in doing my subathon next month on the 1st. We've got to come up with new punishment, the Wheel of Punishment stuff, and I want to do some more giveaways too. Where are you, Cat? I know Cereal's here. I'm gonna ask you both something. Thunders, thank you for the 4 months, brother. So we're just having a slight break before we carry on, chat. Realign my spine. So yes, this is where I carve. 99% of the time it's cold. In the winter, wet as well. And here, then I expected, yeah, we get a lot of people from Europe that tune in, but I know in Europe it gets really late though. And please, if you are watching in the late hours of the morning, go to bed. From Otautahi, kia ora, cheer brother Thunders. Or it's getting cold here. Lucky I got thick thighs to keep me warm, so I can wear shorts through the winter. My cat must not be here. Alright, Cereal. You're always here, even when I'm not doing RP. And you always show aroha to me or love. And for today, I want to say thank you. And here you go. Love from the UK. Cheer, my brother. Love the 100 Thieves hoodie. Yeah, it was given to me by Nate Shot. It's one of my favourite hoodies, brother. I'll probably wear it till I can't wear it no more, pretty much. I was buzzing when he sent this to me. That day he gifted some subs to the channel when he was doing a sponsored stream. That's still one of the buzziest moments. God's Rivet, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too, brother. Temperature is summer, Norway. Australia ripping. How's it going, brother? Hello from Wisconsin. Cheer. Since he was a little kid, back even when he was in Up the gate, up the green wall. Ko, ko, koe, ko tāua. Me, you, us. That's what he just said. Have a great day, start of the week. Monday, brother. Good start to the week. Woke up at 4:30. Froze myself. We're back beep. One of the most beautiful places in the world. No super dangerous, scary insects or reptiles. Yeah, there's no lizard people here, brother. That we know of. So, Serial, you're VIP in the chat now. Just want to let you know. Whitetail. Oh, I've been bitten by a whitetail. Nothing happened other than me standing on him. He was a thick bugger too. It bit me, I was like, oh well. That's about it. Yeah. I mean, we have the giant weta. They normally grow to about that. Some of them. Even we were in the bush one day and we just set up camp and we all crashed out. My grandfather woke up with a weta on his face. No Spider-Man powers? Nah. All good, Cereal. Nah, appreciate you. Can hurt the tamariki though. Yeah, maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, he was like this, just standing there on his face. I was like, oh! Never have I seen a 140 kg man get up on his feet fast in my life till that day. Tamaki Makoto, kia ora Val. Love the fit, thank you. I've got hoodie on, beanie on, shorts and gumboots. Also with links to the bot will time me out just because it's something we've left on from the past because people would post dodgy links in the chat all the time at one point, so we just kind of stopped it. Classic Q, if it ain't that, then yeah, it's usually socks and jandals. One of my sub goals I'll make for the subathon next month, it's gonna be high. Fuck the shoey, we'll do this. We'll do that. Gonna dip our team. Oh yes, please go to bed. Thank you very much for watching Lease the Reigns great name. Much appreciated, brother. Yeah, we'll do the gumboot instead because to be honest, the shoe is a bit soft. There's about 2 years worth of foot smell in this shoe, so alright, back to it, eh? But you don't know dangerous snakes, right? No, no snakes. Not that I know of. Although apparently there was a snake that was discovered on the coast. But nothing a bit of an axe to the head can't fix. How's your wedding planning coming along? So we booked our... So we aren't going with a traditional wedding at the Marae, or our meeting house. Mainly because... if we did go that way, it would have been so much cheaper anyway. If we did go that route, however, our families are just those types of families that will go in the kitchen and help. But we want both our families to, you know, relax and enjoy the day. So we chose a venue called the Black Barn, which is out towards Tarawera there. I can show you guys if you like. It's we put our deposit now, and we booked our catering. And we also, so I've got my groomsmen, she's got her bridesmaids. We're just going over colours at the moment. But at the moment we're just like budgeting our day-to-day lives and trying to save up as much as we can. Yeah. Hence the reason why you see me saying thank you more, you know, to subs and whatnot. But it was my grandmother that changed my whole mind around subs and people supporting me. So you don't really hear me say you don't have to anymore. But yeah, it's the wedding's going good. My two girls demanded they be flower girls. They fought. And I told them to stop fighting or just make their cousin the flower girl. So they're very adamant they're gonna be the flower girls. Them two and my beautiful niece. And for my groomsmen, it's my godfather's dad, no, my godson's dad. One of my cousins from day one. Yeah, drama already with the flower stuff. One of my first cousins and one of my last groomsmen is gonna be my godson. So he's gonna give the wedding rings to me when we're ready. Cause this my boy. Yeah. So my godson's the ring bearer. And yeah, Mrs. Brooks has her crew. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's been planned. We went to a wedding expo. Boy, was it dumb. That's just not my scene, that's all. But she loved it. We got a lot of good advice. But yeah, all in all, we're getting there. And we haven't really sorted out, what we're wearing yet. Well, yeah, that's the main reason why we chose a wedding venue this time around, just so our families can enjoy it, experience the moment of love, I guess. Yeah. That's the main thing. I don't really have wedding vows written. I'm not that type of person to write stuff and memorize it. I just say it how it is. Yeah. All I'm gonna say is I love you, but the game's a stay. So yeah, it's going good so far. And all the subathons are pretty much for that. Yeah. So I don't do them once a month, I do them once every 3 months, so one break, next one. I feel like that guy if I do them one after the other. Bro, the first one was rough, man. I had to eat Vegemite off a spoon, that was disgusting. I had to eat dry wheat bricks. I had to eat both together. I did Carolina Reaper sauce, a big part of it on the spoon too. Burnt my mouth and it burnt at the back there too on the way out. But everyone laughed and that's what mattered. Everyone had a good time. Yeah. Yeah, getting married next year. We've got to hydrate. Aussie food. Oh, not from Aussie. Alright, I'll stop mucking around here. Thank you, Tree. But I've been seeing you doing your work here and there too, brother. It's good to see you still going hard. Straight up. What's the weather like down there? Is it hot? If it's hot in Ireland, it must be roasting. No, we're in winter, brother. We're slowly going into winter, I should say. See you later, Noah. Have a good one. Kia ora, my bro. Love from Poniki. Kia ora, Squid. Hey mate, how you doing? Yo, Blondie, I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. So that has to touch the leg, okay? Back to it, chat. So for the wedding of set myself a personal goal, a sub goal, trying to get to a certain number. I don't want to say just in case. What we're trying to get there. That's what I'm pretty much training for too, is my wedding. Not so much to look like Wreck-It Ralph at a wedding, but you know, just to look good. Okay, let me try and say this name. I'm probably gonna get this wrong. For Kankaros Manoglu 1. Thank you for the 2 months as a tier 1. Now how wrong did I get there, brother? No, you're all good, Blonde. One thing I want you to do first of all is focus on yourself and try to sing. Your well-being is important to me too. You read it right? Oh, did I? Yes! Let's go! Now I feel like the man when I get names right. Not gonna lie, I vibe with the overalls there. Oh, damn. Okay. So we've got a lot of cleaning to do along here. Well, it's not a lot, but you know, along here. Straighten this one up, and then here too. Takuwai. Oh, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch. Something light. Thank you very much for joining me once again, Pano. To those that have stayed from Hassan's raid, I appreciate you as well. And appreciate everyone that came from the raid too. And shout out to Hassan himself and Kaya. What a dog, man. Yeah, so the timber itself is Cody. Normally I just carve a lot of native from New Zealand and Aotearoa. I haven't really carved much foreign timbers. I'd like to have a go at Toa, which is a native timber that grows in Rarotonga. I'd like to make a taia out of it, eh? Beautiful timber too. It's like a yellow outer grain, and in the heart of the tree it's like dark, like it's mean. Red Eye, thank you for the biddies, brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Hooty 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 I don't know. country can someone... Ah, here, I'll write it for you, brother. Cody is the name. That's it there. Pronounced like the name Cody. Like off Surf's Up. Cody! That's one of the reasons why I should go to TwitchCon, man. It's just to link up with everyone. So I want to play one of my favorite Māori songs. It's sad, but oh, just feel it. Nope. Oh, I've removed a lot of those commands, my bro. It's best if I just tell it straight from the horse's mouth. Tell me if it's too loud. Are are maira. Tokua Taya Totomi Ayalo Kite Wakaputu Kilo Iwa Hetai kini kini ana te arai te aroa. Azalea Wimperly is popular in the metal scene, I'd say they are. Around the world, probably more popular. One thing you have to keep in mind with New Zealand today. And this is coming from someone who's indigenous to this country. Our culture is more appreciated outside of our own countries. Tyler the TIE Fighter, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Sad to say, but it's very true. Very, very true. In the words of the Terry Crews, and that's the truth with some cheese on it. Ain't no meatloaf between these buns. That's all, yeah. And I'm being honest, chat. %100% thing. I feel like with indigenous people in general. Obviously, in saying that, there are those that still enjoy the culture, and you know what? That's what I enjoy the most. Is there a lathe machine? I'll be honest, I don't even know what that is. What's that, brother? You gotta give me a approximation, my bro. Can see my teacher's face palming right now. Hard dub, hard brother. Oh, no, no, no machines here. No, this is like the only time I've ever used the machine was a router, brother, and that was just to, you know, mark out our these sections here. The rest has been chiseled. What am I looking for? How long does a piece like this usually take to hand carve? Offline, I'd give myself 3 weeks. Online, maybe a bit longer. Because I like to interact with everyone that tunes in, my brother. Have your content. Keep it the great work. Thank you very much, John Kato. Thank you, brother. Much love there, Shaden. My brother. Love that song, man. Love that song. Have always been a fan of our songs that, you know, acknowledged our loved ones that have passed on. That's what that one was about. It always hits different. Always. The Dougies McNuggies. Thank you for the T1, brother. Thank you very, very much, brother. So that's what their song was initially about, an individual who passed away, who was a very pivotal figure within Māoridom. This song is about, you know, your dearly beloved. I moia ho, I slept. And I saw my very beautiful wife. Translation mode. Here I am. I stand here behind you, my love. You turn to me, my love. Oh, you turn to me. Hello, my love. Turn to me. You're not a dream. Well, I'm not a dream. Listen to me. My love. My heart that beats for you. This is a renowned Māori song. Wahine Purotu, a beautiful woman. I plan to sing this song to Mrs. B on our wedding day. Hope you have an absolutely incredible... Ah, Dougie, I'm 100% going to be honest with you and everyone here is my witness. I'm going to cry. I'm really, really sensitive when it comes to that type of stuff. And especially, you know, to the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with. Yeah. Buckle City, brother. Buckle City. Dark West, thank you for gifting someone a sub, brother. And Kaylin right behind Dark, using your Prime on me. Thank you very much. I'm gonna stream him crying. You'll be there. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, no, I've always been the type of person I ain't scared to cry in front of everyone. It's just something my grandfather taught me. And it's how I've always been, pretty much. What's up, Fobster? Cheer, my brother. Hey, Shadows. Yeah, I'm doing good, brothers. Got a massive raid from Hassan earlier, and made a lot of progress too, which is good. Nothing better than progress. Mama, House Frog's still here. They just made my day speaking to everyone, straight up. Made my Monday even better. Got up early. My only hiccup I had this morning, I may have forgotten to put my big girl's lunchbox in her bag, so I had to double back and get it. Yeah, man, it was when I asked her parents, because I'm a real, you know, traditional person, asked if I could speak to the parents alone, and the dad knew straight away what it was. Then could see him tearing up and went, "Oh, you're like me." No. Everyone knows the story. I was supposed to propose to her not last year, but the last year, the last day of the following year. So I wanted to like see the last sunset off with her from that year. But family Pictionary started. One thing about my in-laws, chat, they are real competitive when it comes to Pictionary. So much El Bozo mentality if they lose. Then the drinks started coming out because I don't drink that much. And yeah, let's just say Mrs. B was on the sauce with the rest of her family. And I was chilling with the kids. I went, never mind, tomorrow. Bro, they're worse than we are the Millers, bro, and they can't even draw. Black cock down. So what I did in the process, so the next day her and her sister woke up early to go for a swim. And I took our youngest baby for a walk. So I kind of used baby as an excuse for her to come and see what baby was doing. So we went to the marae and I had the ring in my pocket. Just trying to figure out how to not look like an awkward Andy with a box shaped thing in my shorts. And eventually yeah, I used baby as a distraction, you know. Go take a photo of baby up at the meeting house and look at it. And that's when I set up to get on my knee and propose to her. So it was hard because I just wanted to give it to her. I had told her sister that I was going to do it. And she knew what was happening, and the parents did too. The brother-in-laws didn't know. And yeah, pretty much he got down and she said yes. And I was like, fuck yeah! And City, thank you for the T1 for 3 months. Thank you very much. Yeah, I did my Ash Ketchum pause pose as he does when he wins the gym badge. Yeah! And she just laughed at me and called me an idiot. But yeah, pretty much did that. Went back to show the family. Yeah, went to her grandmother and she goes, oh, do you need help with the dishes? And she's like, no, I don't need your help. And she looked at her finger and went, oh my gosh, she almost fainted. So yeah, that's pretty much all I go, chat. Saving up, save. And grind as much as I can. Family are super competitive and board can't same. We had family games as well. And all it was coming up with a cheer for the team. And it got real competitive. I was like, I'm just gonna sit over here and watch you look like dicks. Bro, oh man. Good night, D-Select. Have a good sleep, brother. Rest well, King. Oh, the day I had to go and get the ring, chat. This lovely lady was looking at me. She goes, you look nervous. I was like, yeah, because I don't know what I'm doing. And she helped me out a hell of a lot. So I put some money aside to get the ring. And she was helping me out. Lovely Indian lady. And oh man, she made the whole process of choosing a ring so easy. It was having a laugh and whatnot. And she saw me again in town, and Michael Hill, and she goes, "So did you do it?" And she was behind me, Mrs. Brooks, and she showed her finger to her, and she's clapping, jumping up and down. But I cherish those kind of interactions, eh? It was cool. It was cool. Demo kopuna, demo tsu. Guys, stream. How often are you on? Same time every day. So I'll be on at the same time, probably a bit earlier, just to make sure I don't forget my daughter's lunchbox. That's all. Yeah, same time I'll be on. I'll be on later tonight too with a Diablo stream. I'm just gonna stream Diablo as much as I can while I have the drops on, so people can earn some loot and the mount promotion thing too. When my husband proposed to me, he had 1k in his wallet and then it was gone. He told me he got a fine for jaywalking. Me being only 17 and gullible at the time believed him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh shit, that's a good one. I love it. That is a good one. What's up, J Tokes? I used to work in a jewelry store. One of the best parts was helping people choose rings. Such a sweetheart moment. Oh man, yeah, it's even that's an experience doing that. It was oh bro, my heart was racing, bro, straight up. Cause you know I'm a real quiet person when it comes to that kind of stuff. Fresh out of the bush, not knowing what to do. So that was all like a learning moment for me as well. But yeah, the worker, man, she made it that much better. So every time me and Mrs. Brooks is in town, we'll wave out into the shop to say hello. Hey, cheer Rix. Cheer my brother. How are you, my bro? Gotta fill these. Front of all my family on Christmas. Wee. I'm sorry, Brooks. What you saying sorry for? Huh? Brother, it's just a name. It's all good, my man. Thank you for being here. This is Cody. So a bit of a thing going on with the grain in this piece. So there's a few sections where there's like holes in it, but it's an easy fill. I did it on this side too. I'll fill it with resin and we should be Gucci. Oh, alerts are behind. What's the time? Okay, we're Gucci, we're Gucci. So I'm just checking what else we need to do. Clean in here. Hey, Falco, what's up, brother? Hey, VG, doing good, my friend, doing good. My kids are finally not sick anymore, brother, so I can finally get back out to carving. I kind of mind streaming games, but when it's, you know, bit long, I start really missing what I really do on Twitch. Unless it's still throwing out, yeah. How's your project going, my bro? Look at all those peers. Does the grain of the wood change the way you carve it? Yeah, it does. Like in certain sections, say, you might have to approach it from a completely different angle, like a grain will shift somehow. But along the top here, it's a whole different grain. Like it's definitely more dense than the rest of the carving. So I've got to keep that in mind all the time. Murph the Smurf, thank you for the 5 months as a T1, my bro. How you been, brother Murph? Next month, I'm hella excited. Yeah, I love to see it, my bro. The sunny weather is reaching you. Yeah, still got that cold wind days. Much love as well, Serial. I know you might be watching RP streams right now. But I appreciate you. We'll dabble in RP streams on Twitch soon. Kind of just grinding for a Hellion at the moment. One's come up that I can get. Ooh. Oh, I can't wait to go train legs. Can't wait to go train legs, shit. Oh, 8 Towns religious called up. Bees up, 8 Town. Bees up, 8 Town. I know it's not Tuesday, chat, but I really want to play this song. This is one of my gym jams. Taco, so smooth. Taco, sexy taco. Take a ride on my taco. This is taco. What a love song. Taco. It's a freaking taco. Robbie likes his taco. How you doing, too? Cheers, Keith. Cheers about that. Skyward, dude. Come and take your ride on my taco. Man, I've been enjoying Kaboom streams since he came back to Twitch. I never really watched CG streams. But Mr. K's an entertaining character to watch. Ooh. Bastard. Hold up. So I can cut this way, but down here I can't because I'm going against the grain, so I've got to come up back that way. Gracie, I know. Check exclusive. So we're getting there. Bro, it's been such a good Monday. Straight up. Been such a good Monday.
Yeah, I was out there with the CG boys.
Cops had to retreat, bro. Oh, my phone. Oh, man.
Oh, I got a family game night and come back to so much progress. This is looking good. Hey, what's up, Lama? What did you play? We were just talking about competitive family gaming nights too.
Nah, Mario, man. Bro, just let me do my shit.
Whatever, man. You wanna get club, huh? You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry, but listen.
Right.
Vinny, tell him, man.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. 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 Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know gangs on whips, G-Wagon on Vinny's black 656. If I'm in the boost and the feds wanna fit on hutch, I need to jump out of this bitch. Evo on the road, fucking interceptor. Mr. K's got a tank. Versus the demons, don't let him pull rank. Francis on the flank, son, boys in spank. Peek on your crew, real trippies involved. Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Rummy got the cops on the road. They hear CG and they respond like a roll. President P, I'm a Rocco Blamo. Gang had your boy feeling like his El Chapo. Bands on me and trying to empty the ammo. Man down when they saw color and tackle. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa.
No Pixels music scene, man, crazy. Very exclusive. Did not play my brand. They get to tune or nothing, but always love the good vibes when I do. Shout out to you, man. You too, my brother. Go on.
Big Anto, you know what it's about. We whipping and pushing windows around. When you hear that sound, you better get down. That's why we crap around. That's the business. She come around in the fin when it's business shit. Got carry in the whip. Shine crazy. The lounge got checks. Big D, do your thing, baby. Talk your shit. Touch them plants, you're fucking with Wayne. We get on that rooftop, letting it rain. 10 TG all over a spray. R.I.P. Bowen for getting that name. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Bitch. Tell that bitch that I'm
I love the song. Yeah, it's catchy.
Tell that bitch that I'm Changa.
Most of the P-Money songs are mean.
Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. What up, baby? The label's ours. CG buying up buildings and towers. Diamonds on top galleries on Texas. Ring of my fingers got Marvel powers. We business made everyone addicts to the Modinis. We shoot can manage. H&O, leave a click embarrassing.
Then take their vinegar crush that my girls got AMGs and we got Bentley's extended family. You know street team when I buy a new whip thing, come and buy these and we got imports and a VLC. Protect yourself with all the wood swole. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Oh, and the videos are showing up too. Sorry about the alerts, guys. Big cook days.
Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG.
I love No Pixels music scene, man. It's so good, eh? So good. One of my favorite cars when I first logged into NoPixel was the Sultan V8 and Mr. K's Bentley used to have before they took all the IRL cars out of the city. Man, those are clean.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We do big bikes, big cars, give them whiplash. Big bikes, big cars, give them whiplash. Tell them bring the G&E and we take cash. We don't care about the feds, man's pressing on the gas.
We do big bikes, big cars, give them whip, take cash. We don't care about the feds, man's pressing on the gas.
Bring your orders in quick.
We got brains, different parts, come around here to get your fix. If you see me with the muscle, there's juice in this shit. Like, what you mean, boss? Eddie's drifting round the city, do a circle round the cop. Effing interceptor, man, this shit is packing us. If you try to tell me stop, press a button and I'm off. Like, wow, what you mean, how? Tommy's got that muscle with that body like pow. You can bring a shot, we can settle this now. Customized Kawasaki, I will shut your shit down.
Oh my gosh, sorry about the alerts, guys. Oh, Discord's popping off. Also, chat, we are thinking. All good, fat man. Have a good jam session, my brother. Have a good jam session. Also, chat, we are thinking of having a Lord of the Rings night. What's the time? The time is 10 to 1. Ah, it feels like 2 o'clock, eh? Or was that just me? Could just be me.
To go right, it's a rear wheel drive. Bring the wheels alive. Hit the beam on the music, KISS, just do it. She thinks that I'm on some cute shit. Kiss means keep it sideways. I'm a chief when I whip in a circle. Helicopters see a smoking halo. 40k, that's 5 lessons if you want this license. You can locate us under the bridge right next to the Dodo grinders. These wheels don't stop screeching. I don't wanna hear no silence. Exhaust popping, burning rubber. That's when I tell them swing it right to go left, left to go right, right to go left, left to go right. It's a rear wheel drive. Bring the wheels alive. Hit the brake and slide. Put the whip side. Swing it right to go left, left to go right, right to go left, left to go right. It's a rear wheel drive. Bring the wheels alive. Hit the brake and slide. Put the whip side. Gang shit when I'm out with the pros. Really put smoke on road. I go through more rubber than holes. My titrate's always low. Exhaust pipe pop, you might hear a pop, especially when sliding slow. Rear wheel driving flow. I make tarmac feel like snow. Your handbrake's overused, check the logo. That's overboost. When they hear the beat, they know the tune. When you get your license, they notice you. Chicks wanna roll, they're curious. We do shit like Fast and Furious. We got the best features and prices. No one ain't competing, period. 40k, that's 5 lessons if you want this license. You can locate us under the bridge right next to the Dodo grinders. These wheels don't stop screeching. I don't wanna hear no silence. Exhaust popping, burning rubber. That's when I tell them swing it right to go left, left to go right, right to go left, left
Malachi
to go right.
Kel, thank you for the 6 months in advance, my brother.
Hit the brake and slide. Put the whip side. Swing it right to go left, left to go right.
Much appreciated, my
right to
bro.
go left, left to go right.
What's your favorite
It's a
car?
rear wheel drive. Bring the wheels alive. Hit the brake and slide.
It's
Put
hard
the
to say.
whip
I like
side.
a few cars. Probably Lamborghini Huracan, McLaren, Turner, probably R34, R31, R33, S14 Boss. I just like the shape of the S14 Boss. Muscle 1969 Camaro. There's heaps, brother. Heaps. 1969 Chevy Camaro has been one of my favorite cars for a long time. What am I looking for right now? Just a song to play that will not get this flag for DMCA. Oh my gosh. Sorry chat, trying to find that song. Oh well, Mountain Banjo, go back to the default. Never mind, can't find it. Thank you, Boss Man J, for the T1 as well, my bro. Horse chair. Did Māori have a tradition for keeping the hair long or personal preference? Traditionally, our ancestors never really cut their hair. Main reason being is because the head being the most sacred part of your body, so it holds all your knowledge, you know, all the stuff inside here. Like, not till, like, as we got through the ages when Europeans and all that came along, that's when cutting hair became a thing. But for me, I kind of stick to the old ways. I don't really cut my hair unless I have to. The first haircut I had was last year. I cut off a lot of my hair for my grandmother who had passed away. Now in our culture, that's kind of like an act of aroha or love for the individual. Because, you know, I was a nanny's boy. I loved my nan with all my heart. I made the decision to cut majority of my hair off, so it was down to like halfway past my ass. And I decided washed it, dried it, plaited it up, and got the knife and the day when her casket was getting closed, I decided that's when I went at night and put it in her hand as like a somewhat of a modi, or struggling how to explain this. Just like something from a loved one to take with her into the afterlife, that'll look after her and will keep us connected. So yeah, I cut my hair off. I was going through I had bangs phase. Hey, that was the last haircut I had last year. One day I'll cut all my hair off. I'm not sure when though. I've just gotten so used to having long hair, so yeah. Far down. And like with our hair too, like as it grows, it takes in all the experiences that we've gone through with life. Thank you very much, Oz Kargan and KJ Swifty, for the back-to-back Optimus Primes, brothers. Thank you very much to the Primers today as well, and to those that have decided to give subs or subs themselves. It helps me out a lot, yeah, a lot, as we save up for the wedding in 10 months. Holy shit. Those 10 months are gonna fly by, man, straight up. But thank you very much, guys. Yeah. We're on the wind down period now. I'm gonna go make me some lunch and probably do some last minute cleaning before I chill before school pickups. So I normally try and stream within the school hours pretty much. Just so initially when my kids are home, I don't bump into their time, the dead time. That's the main thing it's the main thing I try and do, is not interrupt dead time for them. Even if they drive me up the bloody wall. What's up, brother? Thank you for the 37 months, my bro. Keeping the great week. Much love from the US chair, my bro. Hope you're well over there too, brother. Straight up. I do apologise, it is the wind down period of the stream, my bro. I'll show you the carving too. These So that's all we've done so far, Cantos. We did a bit of cleaning up today. We've molded the bottom face in the middle there. That'll get ready to cut out soon. Just got to sort out the feet. Clean up a bit more. But we're nearing the designing process as well. Woo! That's all we've been up to, my brother. Looks amazing. Thank you, my bro. He's actually off to America too. Tip chat. If you've got timber and you want to keep it dry, this is my tip for you. Rubbish bag. Put your piece within the rubbish bag, you know. This is all we want to do. Want to put it in the rubbish bag. And all we want to do is seal it up so the moisture within the timber stays in the timber and doesn't get up. Now this timber is relatively moist, but every little bit counts in. So this is what I initially do, is just when I'm done with it, wrap it up and yeah, put it away.
Watch your fucking mouth. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa.
Alright, and that's what I do. Yeah. So once again, Fano, thank you very much to all those that joined the stream today. Sorry about how delayed the alerts are, especially for everyone that subbed on the end part of the stream. Thank you to Hassan and Kaya for the raid of 10 with Diablo while the drops are on. We'll do that for a bit. Well, it depends. I might go to the gym and enjoy that more than having another stream. Yeah, I've got legs tonight, so I'll see you later. Thank you very much. Shout out to Hassan and his community as well. And I'll see you all, if not tonight, same time tomorrow. Love you all. Bye bye.